Okay, everybody, the head bolts on the driver's side are pulled out, but I don't know what the hell happened here. It seems the exhaust manifold bolts, one of them was a 9/16, and the other ones are not. So I don't know what the hell's going on. And now we got some antifreeze leaking into the intake area, so we definitely know it's a head gasket. That's the problem here, without a doubt. I need to take a breather, so I'm gonna go relax for a little bit. Yeah, that one tunnel back there still got antifreeze in it. That's why it's leaking in. All right. I have to go in and gather my thoughts, and maybe I can come back out with a clearer head and continue on this. But for right now, I'm extremely exhausted. I've been sitting here most of the morning pulling everything out and putting them in the clean sink, and you know, I have to get the exhaust manifold off in order to be able to get the head off. And I'm not exactly sure if there's a engine stamp number on the back of the head here, but somebody tells me that there should be. If this is the original engine, it'll show up. But we're going to clean the heads and everything anyway, so it doesn't matter how much antifreeze goes in here. It's all going to get drained. None of the fluids in here are going to be used. So it's pretty much a done deal. I got the generator off. I got the fan belt off. Now all I got to do is get the radiator off and the fan and the water pump and the hoses, and then I can get back to the timing chain cover, and then I'll do the timing chain as well. So head gaskets, timing chain gears, gaskets there, water pump gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, exhaust manifold gaskets, valve cover gaskets, valve seals, valve bushings. I'm going to take all these lifters out once I'm done here, and clean them up, and then reprime them again with new oil, and clean these friggin' heads, because they are disgusting. Whoever had this car last time, I hope you learned something from this, because if you leave your car like this and you don't change your oil, this is the kind of crap you get. All right, a total disaster area. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'm not done. As you can see, I'm far from it. Everything's got to be cleaned up anyway, so I'm going to be here for quite a while. I'm going to be putting my clean sink in that little shed over there, as well as my sandblast cabinet, and I'm going to get a new door and put that on it, because there's electricity in there, and that way I can lock it up and, you know, not have to worry about somebody walking off with it. There's a light in there, there's an electrical outlet in there, and that'll be helpful for cleaning parts on this car or any other car that I work on. Anyway, folks, I think that's going to be it for me for now. It's not looking too good out. It's kind of cloudy, so I may have to cover this up and continue another time. All right, bye-bye.